February the 25th, 21, here with Clayton O'Neill, Fishing Nut. We're gonna see what we can get into. We're headed back to Miller Creek Reservoir after all this Texas ice storm we had over here that we're not used to, and hopefully the lakes are all thawed out by now. So we're gonna give it a whirl and see what we can get into, and see you guys in the water. All right, guys, we're finna get in the water. Everything is defrosted over here in Miller Creek Reservoir. I'll let you guys know what the water temp and see what we could do to catch some bait. All right, guys, I think we found them.
That was a perfect throw right there, and then...
Let me see, bro.
Look at that one!
Let me see.
Look at that one, it looks like a carp.
Oh, yeah. They're all shad. Go ahead and dump them out.
Nice. So we're good right now?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. Dude, that one looks like a damn carp.
Yeah, buddy, that's what we're looking for. Good size. Alright, guys, we got some good sized ones in there. Let's start fishing. Show them what we did. What we had to do to be able to even catch these things. Basically, we tied 2 strings just to even touch the bottom. And they were pretty much in 38, 37 foot.
Right on the water.
And they're all on the bottom. So, good deal.
That's the one you just downsized, isn't it?
No. That's a different one. That's the body section, I believe.
Well, he reels that one in. 2 suspended rods. And then I've got 3 that I'm dragging. 2 small baits. 2 medium baits. Big. Do we need the net?
I'm trying to bring them down up a little slow. Attending me. Hey. Here's the first one, guys.
It's not bad. Got the skunk out of the boat.
Alright, guys, this is the one that we downsized on the... Oh, no, he's still on there. He's swimming towards me. I need to swim towards me today. So small baits is what they want today, so. Man, they got good bellies on them. They're full today. That's the bait that I downsized on a fillet. Yeah.
Alright guys, got fish on. They're not very big.
Neil got one on, guys. O'Neil the fishing nut.
Plato's the fishing nut.
He has a YouTube channel. Check him out.
Ah!
He's off.
He came off.
Hey. Yeah, oh, you kind of
Oh no.
Clayton's hooked up on one, guys. On the down rig. Better one.
Not horrible. I'll take it. Haven't caught anything yet. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe 4 pounds.
Perfect.
That's on the smaller piece.
Oh, got hooked up on the down rig.
Got one on his down there too. Good, man. That's the look at this hook to go in. Got that big gizzard from it on there. Look at that. If that don't catch a fish, I don't know.
Alright, that one's coming a good chunk of gizzard shad. Nice little eater, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and keep some because, like I said, we had that fight. Oh, look at this whisker, dude. Look, it's double. Look at that.
Oh man, the form. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's crazy. Alright, guys, like I said. Oh, there goes another downer right there.
Oh yeah.
There we go, Clay. Yeah,
Yep.
they're feeding, guys, today. I didn't even put them in the live well yet.
I just barely dropped that one back down. We'll let him tire himself out a little bit.
Oh, look at that one that just jumped over there.
Not quite the size I want, but it's still fun.
Good eating.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Not the good eating.
I might keep me a couple too, actually. Since we're catching so many.
Alright, guys. Like I said, stay tuned. We've only been out here, what, 20 minutes actually fishing. So, we already got
an hour altogether.
2, 4, 5 fish on the boat.
I'm dropping this one back down.
So,
See if I can
alright,
get
guys.
down rig.
Oh, right here, down rig. Oh.
Oh, good. Drop it.
Good shot. The down rig.
Red's got one on it.
There's just right over there. He followed that whole bait, dude. Another eater, guys. Oh.
My dad was
Got it?
dang, running sideways with it. Oh, this might be strike. I don't know. Something's going on.
Striper.
That's a blue.
Blue?
It's just going all over the place.
Yeah.
This is my lucky
Oh.
dog.
Right here. What's wrong, guys? It's a better one. That's good. I have no idea. Oh, maybe when somebody got hung up. There's not none. Alright, Clayton got hooked up on one too.
Oh, I think he just wrapped up and then he filled. Oh no! Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Dude! Oh.
That what was going on with that float. You were trying to figure out what it was going on with that float on the water.
He's all tangled up and somebody's got him.
Man. All they want is small baits, guys. Small baits.
I don't know who that is.
Huh?
That's one of your rigs. What's it like?
From back then?
I'm pretty sure that's one of yours.
Yeah.
It's your barrel.
Yeah.
So we got that shit back up.
One of my old rigs, man. I got snagged on a long time ago. There's the one that Clayton got.
This one was, oh, maybe not. It might have just been a snag.
So he's gonna go ahead and let him go. We're just trying to keep eaters. There you go. Alright guys, I've been working on a live well for this boat for tournaments and stuff, so that's what I came up with. So it's been working out pretty good so far. But we ended up coming back up here and redrifting this area, so see what we get into again. Well, as soon as I turned off the camera,
Got one on.
down rig hit for Clayton.
He doesn't feel very big. Probably good one. Oh, pulling up.
134 foot right now. Moving 0.5.
Let him fight, be Oh, my battery is not. It's pretty much decent. I feel like he might swim off. Yeah, he'll swim off. Fish on, y'all, the suspended rig.
Hooked up again on a suspended.
This one looks like it's got a fish on it. This one's not as big as that one. That's perfect. Whoop! There it goes.
Fast release. Release.
Quick release right there. Fish on my crappie rod again.
Let's see if you can land this one in the boat.
I hope he gets off. Quick, get off the hook before Jose keeps you. I think I might keep at least one or two of them too, just to do a catch and cook video. My YouTube channel. This one doesn't really too big. He might be a 5, maybe. Get out of the other one. Come here. Stay out of the other. No, he got in it.
There he is. Good eating. How'd you go down? Here, put it on the knife. Okay. Guys. Oh, there's another one. Double guys. Yep. Get another nice one. We got 3 going on right now. I'm gonna let him sit there. Get this one out. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that's what we needed, the burp.
Oh, that's a good one.
Hey, here's that net. Oh, you left the net up front?
Huh?
You left the net up front. Oh man, handle this one again. There we go. Oh. There's that one, guys. I'm gonna put them in here and recover them. Let it down. Get the other one out. It's still in there. I got kind of drifty out of there. Alright guys, we're gonna get this mess untangled. I'll get back on here. There it goes, down there guys. Got it. Decompressed before I bring it over here. Single. Oh, this got some massive head on it.
Jose's caught a nice one on his down here.
Alright, guys.
Quite a bit. I'd say we have enough for the fish.
Well guys, Miller Creek Reservoir, they're biting. Pretty cold out here.
This place is full of blue cats.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He's on there, I think.
There he is. Push on, guys. Push on. Oh, still recording. A good little eater. Got him on the line. Yep, he got him on the line. Yeah. Yep.
Stay out of my line, buddy. Trying to get every single rod we have. Shoot, I think.
Oh.
That wind is like knives.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was a freaking All right, guys. We loaded up. We're finna head out. Go back home. Like I said, we came over here, caught 20 plus. Me and Clayton O'Neill. We had a good productive day. Like I said, water temps are 41 degrees right now. We were drifting 0.4, 0.5. Depth was between 37 to 32. They were all in deep water. But like I said, we accomplished what we came for. It's getting kind of cold. The winds are starting to pick up. I had a buddy of mine tell me that it was pretty windy where he was at, so we're gonna try to head out of here to be safe. So, all right, guys, Camp Drifter signing out until next time.
Peace.